All right, what's up, Faith Family? Jarvis Guide and Avoid Jarvis YT here, and today we're going to be showing you how to open a push lock knife. I'm not entirely sure if that's what this is called, but this is a black label knife, so I assume it's a similar situation with other knives like it. So I think we all know the way to open a knife. Just grab the blade, make sure your fingers are clear of the blade, open it as such, and the way you close it, there's a little piece of metal that stops the actual blade from folding back in. So what you want to do, you want to touch this ridged part right here, get it with your thumb, make sure all your other fingers are clear of the blade, and bring that in. Make sure again your fingers are clear, and the knife is now closed. I had some trouble with that, but I eventually found out how to do it. Again, the way you open it, grab the dull edge of the blade, open it as such. Well, maybe not that fast, that's really irresponsible. And grab the ridge section right here, pull it back, that one piece of metal, then you can fold the knife in and it should be safe and secure. As always, remember, do not bring knives into places you're supposed to be. It's different in every state. My state has draconian regulations on it, and it's ridiculous. There's so many places you can't bring them in. You would definitely need them. So either way, I'm Jarvis Gunn of Warrior Jarvis YT. Stay tuned for more diecast content and be safe with your knives. I don't know.